Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oil drain pans that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find all the product links in the description below. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium product, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Chapin 78005 low-profile 12-quart oil drain container. This product is designed for users who prioritize sustainability and versatility. Made with 100% recycled polymer, it's an environmentally friendly choice that doesn't compromise on durability. Its low-profile design makes it ideal for low-clearance vehicles like ATVs, tractors, and lawnmowers. The build quality is solid, with a leak-free rubber gasket that ensures no messy spills during use. Measuring 14.75 inches in diameter, and weighing 4.3 pounds. The container is lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle oil changes for small to medium vehicles. One standout feature is its compact size, which makes storage a breeze. However, at $44.47, it's on the pricier side for a 12-quart capacity, especially considering it lacks advanced features like an integrated handle or spout for easy pouring. This product is ideal for eco-conscious users who value a sturdy, no-frills option. Pros include its sustainability and low profile, while cons are the lack of pouring features and its relatively high price. Coming in at number 4 is the Performance Tool W4071 Black Oil Drain Pan, our budget-friendly pick. Priced at just $22.99, this 4.5-gallon pan offers excellent value for its price. It features a wide opening for spill-free collection of engine oil or coolants, along with an anti-splash lip to minimize mess during transport. The pan is made from high-density polyethylene, ensuring durability and resistance to hot engine oil. The built-in pour spout and molded handle make transferring fluids straightforward and hassle-free. At just 0.01 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, which is great for portability, but may feel less robust compared to heavier options. While it's perfect for small to medium vehicles, the lack of advanced features like sealing gaskets or a closed design limits its utility for users who need a more secure solution. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts on a budget. This pan's pros include affordability and simplicity, while its cons are the absence of a leak-proof seal and limited capacity for larger jobs. At number 3, we have the Groz 41966 15-quart drain pan, which offers a perfect balance of capacity and design. Priced at $32.37, this pan is built with heavy-duty, high-density polyethylene, making it ideal for industrial or frequent use. Its standout feature is the secure closed design with a screw cap and O-ring seal, ensuring a completely mess-free oil disposal process. The 15-quart capacity is great for larger vehicles or equipment that require frequent oil changes. The integrated handle and wheels are practical touches that make transport and storage effortless. The wide 8-inch opening includes a catch-all basket, making it convenient for catching small parts or filters during oil changes. While it's slightly bulkier than other options, the Groz 41966 is a top choice for users who need a reliable, high-capacity drain pan. Its pros include its industrial-grade build, large capacity, and leak-proof design. On the downside, it might not be the best choice for users with limited storage space or those looking for a lighter, more compact solution. Our runner-up is the NEIKO 20762A oil drain pan, which combines portability and practicality at an affordable price of $24.69. This 2-gallon pan is constructed from high-quality, recyclable polythene plastic, making it lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and easy to handle. Its compact design is perfect for those who have limited storage space, but still need an effective oil drain solution. One of its key features is the anti-splash curled lip edge, which prevents spills during transport. The integrated handles on both sides make it easy to carry, and the attached spout simplifies draining into larger containers. It's also versatile enough for smaller oil changes, such as for motorcycles or lawnmowers. While its smaller 2-gallon capacity may not suit larger vehicles, the NEIKO 20762A excels in convenience and ease of use. If you're looking for a compact, no-fuss drain pan for light-duty use, this is an excellent choice. Its pros are its portability, anti-splash design, and affordable price, while its cons are the limited capacity and lack of advanced features. Finally, at number 1, we have the Performance Tool W4077 16-quart oil drain container, the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers. Priced at $47.99, this premium product delivers top-notch performance and durability. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to catch draining oil and securely store it for transport, making it a versatile option for users who need efficiency. The deep drain well with angled sides minimizes splashing, while the integrated handle makes it easy to carry and pour. Tethered plastic caps with rubber gaskets provide a leak-free seal, and the durable polypropylene construction ensures that the container holds up to repeated use, even with hot engine oil. With a massive 16-quart capacity, this container is ideal for larger vehicles or heavy-duty applications. Although it's the most expensive option on our list, the Performance Tool W4077 justifies its price with its robust features and quality. If you need a high-capacity, leak-proof, and user-friendly oil drain container, this is the one to get. Its pros include its large capacity, leak-proof design, and sturdy build. The only con is its higher price point, but the value it offers makes it well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best oil drain pan for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about the products, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.